So I hiked officially about 8 miles with 25 to 30 pounds in my pack down here to hike at this, or excuse me, to camp at this incredible location. Honestly, it's my own private little piece of paradise. There is a small family of 4 down here and then an older couple. But we're plenty spaced out, so it feels like I'm all by myself. Honestly, the hike wasn't too bad. It was all the way downhill, at least coming down. It is going to be probably miserable going back up 2,500 feet or so. But the sheer lava rock is just tough on the feet after a while. So I couldn't wait for the moment that I just put on my sandals, kicked off my boots, pulled off my sweaty socks, and just sat down for a minute. But I'm going to be doing basically Survivor Man Island edition here. And seeing if I can't crack open a coconut, have a little bit to eat, bought my jet boil, and I'm going to make some lasagna. So I'm starting my backcountry hike to Halape in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park backcountry. A single night in and out and back. It's roughly 8 miles to get there. The reviews on all trails said it was not so great apparently getting there. It's really windy, as you can kind of tell. And I'm just kind of walking on some crushed lava rock, going through somewhat of a scrubland, and should be hiking towards the coast. If I get lucky, I will get there and put up a hammock, enjoy a couple hours in the evening by the coast, make some dehydrated lasagna, and put my feet up and call it a night. The nice part right now is that it's all downhill, like 2,000 feet, 2,500 or so elevation drop, just spilling me down to the coast. So hopefully this goes pretty quick. Put the tent up, put the hammock up, eat a little bit, enjoy the water. And the sun sets kind of early in Hawaii, I've noticed. Compared to Wisconsin anyways, it's setting at like 6:40. It's around 1 p.m. right now. I gotta make the most of it. Hang loose. So I'm just past my first junction here, a little over 2 miles into the hike. Looking like I'm on the African plain, because you can see most of the hike transition to this kind of rocky trail in a grassland. The views are starting to pick up, starting to see some cool coastal vistas, and it's just reassuring to know that I've been on track the last 2 miles. So after what seems like forever hiking, you can finally see where I'm headed tonight. Down there along the coast, a secret little oasis with palm trees, and it looks super beautiful. Can't wait to get there. Well, here it is. After 8 miles of lugging these boots and this pack along, I finally made it to Halape. And if you saw that photo, it is gorgeous. Can't wait to kick the boots off, take this pack off, and pitch a hammock in the tent. So this is my setup here. I've got my 2-person backpacking tent all set up with the rain fly on, because who knows if it's going to rain tonight. Clouds are a little ominous, to say the least. Here it is. I'm all sealed up. Show you what it looks like inside. So here's what I'm camping with. I have my inflatable pillow, inflatable sleeping pad, Kelty Cosmic Down, 20-degree sleeping bag, and just my Gregor backpack that I hiked here with. Some extra clothes in the corner. The hammock I'm probably not going to be able to use. Bummed I can't find a good spot for my hammock to be set up. Yeah, and that's my residence for the night. do this. Oh, do this. I feel like I'm dinging it up. So here's the amenities we're working with. Actually a fairly nice looking pit toilet. 3-walled shelter. I guess if the rain really starts pounding, you can come up there. And there's a rainwater tank where I got my water for cooking tonight. By the way, I've never seen this sign before, but this is also a tsunami hazard zone. So if the earth starts quaking, I gotta run back up here. Now we just gotta wait for that to boil so dinner can cook, which is lasagna. All right, so the steam coming out means it's ready for dinner. That cook up a little bit. Come back to this bag in about 10 minutes and we will have ourselves a 5-star dinner in the wilderness. That's what it looks like. Five-star dining in the wilderness. Hang loose. Well, I survived the night here. Gosh, I must have been tired because I think well, it got dark at 7. I went in here shortly after. I wish I would have stayed out and watched the stars some, but gosh, I was exhausted. And I didn't wake up till about 6. I mean, I didn't sleep that full amount straight through. I woke up here and there, but didn't really get out of bed till 6. So basically, let's say 8 to 6. I slept. I haven't slept that long in a long time. So it goes to show you how exhausted I was getting here. I'm going to enjoy the morning for an hour, maybe make some breakfast, maybe more lasagna, and head back. Check out that view though. Well, this is it. I'm about 6 miles of the way back at 8. Hiding in some shade. Whatever there is. Man, is it hot coming up. Just baking, beating hot sun. hot lava rock beneath radiating that heat. I'm hiking in shorts and a breezy tank top here cut off, but just waiting for the moment that I run out of water. I got roughly a little over 2 liters coming back up. Only drank like 1 liter going down. I was peeing a lot last night and this morning, so I felt like I was well hydrated coming into this hike, but I just can't seem to get enough water. I just keep daydreaming of lemonades and Hawaiian punch. Any sugary cold drink would be delicious. Hopefully got less than an hour left. And again, it's gonna be sad when I suck on my drink tube here and I got nothing that comes out of it. So check back with you when I get to the van. Later. So I was informed by the front desk that I got upgraded to a corner room for being a Hilton Diamond member. So let's check it out.